on your very own island of Sodor. Come and play exciting mini-games with me and my friends in an awesome train set that magically comes to life. Play on your very own island of Sodor train set. My friends and I are very excited that you're here to play with us. Let's ride the rails, explore the island, and see what we can discover. Thomas promised to help Gordon with a very important job. Help me get to Knapford Station to find out what it is. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square. Well done! Wow! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. It's super easy to find your new toys. Just look for the beam of light. Well done! Just slice or tap it to open. What type of wagon should we pull? That's the way. Only the boldest of engines will try Cannonball Curve. You can help us steer through the sharp curves. Swipe left or right to keep the train on the tracks. Well done! Well done! Woohoo! Yeah! Which way do you want to go? Right leads to... The rolling bridge is just there. Look, that boat has to make an important delivery, but the bridge is down. Let's wind it up to let them pass. Good job! Great! Thanks a lot for your help. Lights out. Lights on. All my friends want to help too, so make sure you chase Thomas. Oh no! Sheep have wandered onto the tracks. You can help out by dragging them back into the pen. That's perfect. That was off the rails. The passengers have arrived. Annie says thank you. Left leads to... Forward leads to... The Great Waterton Station's coming up. Help the passengers board the carriage. Drag each of them to the square with... That's perfect! That's awesome! That was off the rails! You've got this. Help the engine jump the big bridge. Tap as fast as you can on the buttons to make the engines go, go, go. That was so much fun.